Hey, this is Tommy's Toys, and I'm Tom, and just wanted to show you the backhoe that I've got here. It's one of them Harbor Freight backhoes. Works pretty good, does for what I need. I got a lot of cleaning up and stuff here on the property that I need to get done. A bunch of old wash machines and stuff like that that's been collected through the years from family. Didn't have anywhere to dump them, so they dumped them over here. And so we're going to mash them up, and we're going to take them down and take them to the scrap yard and make some money off of them. So we're going to get that done. I've also got an excavator, mini excavator coming in December 26th. And we've got some other stuff going on. I've got my tractor on the other side over here. I'll show it. It's a Mahindra 22L. And good little tractor. So anyways, y'all stick around. And this is Tommy's Toys. This is Tom's channel, and we're starting this out. Just going to show you a lot of stuff that we got a lot of cleaning up and stuff back here to do that's collected over the years. And we just want you to know that these machines that we bought, they've already paid themselves off. So if y'all have a lot of work to do on your farm or your homestead or anything like that, getting your own equipment is the great thing to do. You go ahead and get your stuff. If you got to finance it, but I'll tell you what, in the long run, it's gonna pay itself off. It will definitely pay itself off. This stuff's already paid itself off 2 or 3 times over with all the stuff that I've dug. I've had pipes I've had to put in. I've dug out ditches. I've dug ditches. I've got digging back here that I'm doing to just bury some scrap wood and stuff like that. Just an area that's, I know the ground's going to sink after a while, after that wood has rotted and everything is settled. But it's good because you can dig that again, and it'll be nothing but just old rotten wood down in there, and you can dig it out and reuse some of that stuff over again and bury some more stuff in that same spot. As long as it's biodegradable, put it in there, let that be your bury hole. And you can do that. Nothing being buried is toxic. It's all wood and stuff like that that's going to deteriorate. And so that's what we're doing. We're getting all this stuff here together on the property and getting things cleaned up. Getting winter time now, and we need to get some stuff cleaned up around here. Old things are dying off around here. We want to put some fence around here. I've got my chickens and everything. I got to rebuild them a barn and some fence and stuff like that. So we got a lot of stuff going on here. So these are Tommy's Toys, and everything that we got here. I've got, like I said, my tractor on the other side. I got a lot of attachments to go on it. I take care of the road out here that comes into the property, and I got to, rake it every once in a while, move the dirt around, and get things squared away. So there's a lot of stuff out here. Plus, I got my bees back over on the other side. I got bees and honeybees, and I thought I'd leave them alone this year, and next year I'll be doing some processing some honey. So anyways, I'll show you some of the toys I bought to do the processing for the honey. So anyways, Tommy's Toys don't just have to do with tractors and backhoes and all that other stuff, but it has to do with just a lot of stuff that we use around here, a lot of stuff that I find is toys. And those toys are productive. They're a little expensive, but in the long run, it's a whole lot cheaper than having going to get it from somebody else. And with the way things are going, my investments are going to be in assets, tractors and backhoes, stuff like that. Because if all I have to do is afford some diesel fuel and stuff like that to get these things running, to be able to plant my gardens and stuff like that, it'd be worth it. So anyways, this is Tommy's Toys, and I'm Tom, and glad to have y'all out there watching, and hope you enjoy it, because we got a lot back here on the property, and all this stuff back over in here. I got a lot of cleaning up and stuff to do around here. So y'all stick in there and watch and see what we do. And let you see how these tractors and this backhoe and the new excavator coming in next month, let's just see how it works. And some of y'all might be interested in getting things like that yourself. This old Harbor Freight backhoe that I bought a couple years ago, it's like I said, it's paid itself off. That Mahindra tractor I bought, it's well paid itself off, and the excavator I'm sure will do the same thing. And then with all these other toys we got that we got to do stuff around here with, let it just be an educational thing for you. And if you think you need a tractor, well, I'll give you my honest opinion about all of this stuff. Anything that I use, the stuff that I buy from Amazon to process my honey and all the different stuff that we do around here, will make sure to give you an honest review and let you see if it's worth it or not. So, Tommy's Toys. So, y'all, glad to have you tuning in. And this is just an introduction. And glad to have y'all out there. God bless.